Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's session is about RPA challenge and invoice extraction. So this is the page, and this is the page for the invoice extraction RPA challenge. Here you have to get the due date. If the due date is lesser than or equal to the current date, you have to click this invoice button and you will get the invoices, and you have to capture the information, and the captured information should be this is the captured information like ID, due date, invoice number, invoice date, company name, total due. And if you see here, this is the company name, due date, and the due date will be this one. This is the due date, and ID is this is the ID. You have to capture the ID, and yes, due date, invoice number, invoice date, company name, total due. So everything will be in this document, but what is the challenge is the documents will be changing. So if I click invoice 1, it will be like SITMET, and the dates are JUN 30,29. This is one of the challenge. And if I click the second invoice, it's having it's having the date as in this format, and this is the owner name, company owner, everything. But if you are doing in normal OCR command in the automation anywhere 8/2019, this is little bit a big challenge, but through IQBot we can achieve this automation anywhere invoice extraction challenge. So I will explain the steps involved in this. So first we have to click the start button, then you have to click get the due date of the table of the Domexpot. Through Domexpot only we can get that. So after clicking the start button, it will be in progress, and you have to get all the due dates and compare with the current date. And after that you have to click the, if the due date is lesser than or equal to current date, you have to click the invoice button. You will get a sample documents, and after going to second page, third page, you will be getting this next button as disabled. Then you have to click the submit button. You will be asking for the extracted information as the same like this one: ID, due date, invoice date, company name, total due. This has to be uploaded in the RPA challenge. Then you will be succeeded in the RPA challenge. So the first step will be you have to click the start button, then get the due dates in a Domexpot, and you have to compare the due date with the current date. And if it is lesser than or equal to current date, if yes means you have to click that button and capture the invoice information, export the information to Excel. This will be done under the IQBot, and then click the submit button and the Excel will be uploaded. If no, it will again get the another row of the due dates, and the process will continue like this. So next will be, we can see first how to develop the IQBots for capturing the invoices information. So first we have to open the IQBot and train the captured documents. Use the date logic Python date logic will be used because of the dates are not correct in the different format. We have to use the Python logic, and this is the logic we are going to use in IQBot date extraction Python logic. And like field value will be equal to field value dot replace June, replacing JUN as 06 hyphen, and there is another called comma will be there. There should be a common for the date, like you can use the hyphen. These are the document captured from the RPA challenge invoices. One of the document is this, and another document is this. We have to train these two documents in the IQBot. So how to do that? Yeah, I will create a new learning instance. You have to go to IQBot, train another document, get started. Here you can use like RPA challenge invoice Then this will be of invoices. It's having so many language, we can use English, and we can upload those two documents. Okay. These two documents, we can upload it. And then the fields we have to extract is invoice date, invoice number, invoice total, and this and all no need. We need company name. Though there is no company name here, we can add it. So this ID information we can get in RPA challenge start page, and due date also we can get in RPA challenge page. We need only these four information from the documents. One is invoice number, invoice date, company name, total due. And invoice date, invoice number, invoice total, and company name, add as a form. Then unselect everything. It will use AB OCR engine. Create a new learning instance and analyze. Estimate it. Now our document is in this page, and we have to train the IQ bot accordingly. So the field label will be date, correct, it's captured correct, and the field value also it captured correct. But we need in the format like this one. Only number format we need, not in the JUN format. So for that we can use the Python logic full screen. The full screen. Field value equal to field value dot replace JUN space as comma 06 hyphen, and then I'm going to replace this also. Comma space as hyphen. Why I'm doing this is if this comma is there means it has to replace this comma and space in a hyphen format, and it has to replace a June and a space, June and space as a 06 hyphen. So for that I have replaced June space as 06 hyphen and the comma space as a hyphen. Okay, we can see the result. It extracted correctly June as 06 hyphen and 30 and comma space as hyphen. And if you are having so many documents, means what you have to do, you have to put like JUN from January to till December as the same format like this, and for January 01, February 02, etc. like this. We have to replace every month like this, and it extracted correctly. You can see the extraction result. Extracted the invoice date correctly. Then we need to check other fields. Okay, then invoice number also it extracted correctly. Invoice total extracted correctly. Company name it didn't extract, so I can extract. I've trained the document as like this, so everything is in a green tick. We can see extraction result. So it's extracted every field correctly. You can check after training the IQ bot. Then we can move on to next document. This document is completed, then save and go to next group. So the next group will be of different document like this. Invoice date label will be, there is no, you can click this. Field value will be correct format, and invoice number is extracted correctly. Invoice total also extracted correctly, and the company name will be this one. You can see the extraction result here. It extracted every field correctly. So our IQ bot is now ready. So we can save and go to next group. There is no group left in the queue. Okay. Now after training the IQ bot, what do you have to do? You have to set this IQ bot to production. Then make sure it's in a green tick. Okay, my IQ bot now is ready to bring this IQ bot inside the task bot. We can do that now. So I will create one new IQBot here. My taskbot name is IQBot Invoice Extraction RPA Challenge. Okay, we can go to the list view. Here we have to loop through each files in a folder. Why means this captured one document and captured two documents in a separate folder, and make sure it's in a separate folder, and then IQBot input will be this folder, IQBot output folder will be a separate folder. Okay, now loop through each files in a folder. Each files in a folder, and this folder path it will have to put the input folder path, and it will store it in a dictionary variable. Files in a folder, click create, then IQBot. You have to upload all the documents in the files. Upload all the document. Here it will ask for this action uploads a document for the processing with the IQBot. The server instance will be what we have created here, RPA Challenge Invoice Extraction. This has to be how to upload here. So RPA Challenge YouTube. Okay. And the file path will be the same file path, folder path, and you have to put /, click F2, files in a folder, dictionary key name will be name, and then put F2 extension. The second key will be extension, the first key will be the name. IQBot files in a folder, name dot files in a folder, extension, and then you can choose one variable, success, and then download all the files. I'll put one message box. It will show you it's successfully uploaded or not, and here also in this message box what variable we have created, success. Can create here. You have to download all the documents, and the service instance will be the same as YouTube channel, and this will be the status if it is successfully downloaded all or not, and the local output folder will be my output folder, and save the response to a variable success. My IQBot is ready in the taskbar to run. We can see. IQBot is uploading. A message box shown is success. Then it's only 2 documents, so 2 success message box will come. So it's downloading, and 1 success message box. And so this is my output folder of capture 1 document, capture 2 document, and we can open and see invoice date, number, company, result as true, and my next as company name. Okay, everything captured successfully. So this is how we have to train the IQBot for the RPA Challenge documents, which is available only in the 2 formats. And in the next video we can see how to do this task from the page 1 to 3, and how to merge all the output folder, output documents extracted, merge in one CSV file, and how to upload those CSV file here. And we can see that in the next video. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel.